So this is the boat. This is where we work. I do here the cleaning, sanding. The varnishing is in a container. And over here where the anchor is, this is Stinky's place. So she come with me to my job. And there she has some food, so she cannot throw it away, and the water, so it's all safe. And I work here under the boat. Perfect. So this is the other container. We let them dry here for about 1 week. So now the surface is very hard, so we can walk on it and yeah, take the tape off and ready to go. Here you see perfectly why I put the tape around here, because you see all the drips, but the edge is very well done. So that's the thing, so it's not all messy underneath here, it's still clean. And no messy. It's so clean. It's beautiful, it's very well done. Beautiful. So, almost done. Take the plastic off.